What's up, everybody? We got a personal break for Jerry. He's doing box 3 of Topps Chrome. He's over on the Breakers TV chat, so you're not going to be able to see him over here. Hold on. There we go. Box 3. I feel like I've opened a ton of Topps Chrome this year. Or tonight. Probably because I have. Let me bring Jerry's window over here so I can see him. There we go. This is the box you were going to pick, Deca? Let's see what Jerry gets. Alright. Something going on with these Topps Chrome packs tonight. They're like freaking military grade glued shut. Utah Stanford? Is that at Stanford? And Utah's a solid team, right? Yeah. Double OT. Dude, I live and breathe college basketball. I love it. This year I have not... Honestly, I think it's bad because I think I've gotten too overconfident with my March Madness success. And this year I have not watched as much regular season as I usually do. Like, it's February now, so I need to binge watch so that I'm all caught up for the tournament and I see how these teams are playing. So hopefully I can keep it up this year. It'll be good. We'll get like we'll get a group Twitter message going for college basketball for the tournament. See how everybody does. Conference tournaments are usually pretty fun to bet too. I'm just happy I got you two guys now for the Pac-12 because historically I'm terrible with the Pac-12. Like, I don't know why, but probably because I just don't get to watch them much, honestly. Oh, we'll definitely do an LCB bracket thing for sure. Yeah. Yes, I did not like them before tonight. That's what it is. You know it. "12 viewers at 3 a.m. It's not too bad. Not too shabby. That's perfect. Perfect, because that's the least covered conference out here on the East Coast. Maybe the WAC is a little less covered. Maybe. Alright, Jerry. Here we go. Good luck, buddy. You bought last night and you only wanted Comp C stuff, right? Shouldn't even have to ask that. Ooh, nice. Porzingis. Straight Comp C fire right there as a Mazzara rookie. Kutch. Braun, Davis, Sano, Marte. Prism, Gary Sanchez. Two very nice Comp C cards to kick off the box. We got a Tanaka. Zach Lee in a blue Hunter Pence out of 150. Blue Hunter Pence. And we got a Gary Sanchez. Britton, Mookie Betts, Reddick, Miller, Pedroia, Dellin, Kluber, and Garrett Richards. Alright, King Felix. Seager, Yadier, Folty, McCann. There's Matts. Josh Reddick, Prism. Garrett Richards, Refractor. Nothing much for Comp C there. Robbie Cano, get a Schwarber. Purple out of 275. I think did I hit you with Schwarber last night, Jerry, or was that somebody else? Cal Schwarber. Jorge Lopez. Super Bowl party in Vegas. Nice, man. I was just planning out my weekend in my head and I totally forgot it's a Super Bowl. We've been talking about it all night and it just didn't click. That's a short print. Jameson Tyone. Very, very tough auto to hit. Nice card. Good young pitcher for the Pirates. Base auto. Alright, you got a Trevor Story rookie. Correa. Sano Perspectives. Kimbrel. Carlos. Andrew Miller Prism. I did hit you one from Bowman. I thought so, yep. Couldn't remember if it was you or another guy because we had so many late night sales last night. Piscotty. And here's your last auto coming up. It is Tyler Naquin. Good ball player. Rookie auto. Wouldn't say it's a whammy box. Two solid names. Not super high value, though. Naquin and Taillon. Got Rosenthal and Chen, and let's see if you got something extra hiding in this last little group. Hunter Pence. Gomez, there's a Schwarber Perspectives. Posey Refractor. Buxton, Conforto rookie. Peterson. Got a Benny Zobrist Prism. Tyler White. Bradley. Bruce. Mookie. Snell. And Ichiro. And there's your box, Jerry. Need anything else, just let me know, man. Healthy little stack for ComC there. Not too shabby. Taillon and Naquin for your ink. Boomski. As Jerry. You hate that when a pack of frickin' penny sleeves opens up and falls. It's the worst. There we go. Reminds me of the old Gerald days. When I had Gerald as a sorter, I'd come into the office and there'd be penny sleeves everywhere. Just a little side story. Yankees in 2018 for opening day. Nice. See, I don't understand your Australian odds. What does that mean? $1 wins $5? Is that what that means? So the Indians are 10-1, the Cubs are 5-1, the Red Sox are 7.5-1. Is that what that means? I'm assuming. Okay, so yeah, it's just backwards. Okay, I gotcha. I gotcha. That's what I thought. Techno music is crazy.